What's up, Low Jeffers? Today, I'm going to be checking out the construction map in Yeeps Hide and Seek. Oh gosh, look at what that screen says. You better do what it says. It might eat you if you don't. Hey, this music's actually good. Anyway, let's go find the construction map. Right, this is the map. Construction site. I have have never been in here. I'm scared. What will I find? What will I see? Will I die? And will I find any book kinds? Yay! Bye bye. Whee! Right. We've not come around the corner. I do not know what's round there. Oh, I see something. I see a cotton baler. I've seen some stuff. Interesting stuff. I have a mic. Yeah, that's what I've seen. Nothing big. Let's go. Duck! Ducky! 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 Duck! Actually, ducky! Why am I moving? What the? I survived. Oh, wow. Okay. This is I forgot what you call them. Not a digger, is it? The diggers. Oh my god, that's a digger. It's oh god, what's it actually called? I don't know. Tell me in the comments. And it's bulldozed the house. Oh my god. Naughty, naughty. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, maybe it's a lift. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's gonna be like some sort of lift. So I have to climb up this. God. I'm just gonna put a camera here. You can see me. Just... Oh my god! I'm actually up here. Look, I came from all the way down there. Ooh. Oh, right. I'm gonna do it. Hopefully. Watch. Oh my god! Oh, he's so cool up here. Look at this view. Right, so I should see what else I can see. Speakers. A destroyed house. Obviously the start. The ducks. A digger. And another one of those things that I'm on right. I want to jump down to there, but I don't. Here. Oh wait. This is gonna be hard. I need to get on top. This yellow one to get to the red without falling. Well, it wasn't hard. Time for the red rescue bid. I'm going so slow. Ducks! Okay, I don't like that these launch pads I don't want to land on. I don't want to land on a launch pad. No. What music have they got? Let's actually look before the house. So, wow. There's nothing. Window, window. Oh, look, there's a house. There's... ow. That's supposed to be a bed. Actually, we could use it as a bed. Good bed. I rate it. Yeah. Looks like a house. What else do you want me to say? It don't look like John Cena, does it? So... Oh, yeah. I can zip line onto that, which takes me up to the yellow thing again, so I can have another try the red one. Let's go. Hey, that's sick. First attempt. 3, 2, 1. Bye bye. Oh god. Oh, hello, gnomes. Why am I slowing? No. Why am I coming back? No. I don't want to see you. Bye bye. I'm putting my mic down. I'm gonna run. Oh. Bitcoin. Bitcoin. These Bitcoins I got? Yeah. Where your Bitcoin? You inside the Bitcoin station? So. 100. 100. 100. 100. To work. Right. My next main goal is to get into the red one. Okay. And if I don't get into the red one, I have to do sketch. If I don't get into it. So obviously I want to get into it. That's my main goal. Mention sketch in every video. Okay? I'm gonna be honest. I did make it. But maybe Sketch don't watch my videos and he doesn't see this. Or maybe he does, and I'm just... I already gave away a tenner. Right. Anyway. Oh my god, look what this computer says. Again. I'm gonna attempt a backflip that can launch me off. Are you ready? No! I saved myself. Oh my god. Oh wait. This is what I needed to show you. After I do my backflip that one. Oh. I did one. This zip line goes from there all the way down to the bottom. If I just need a quick escape. Imagine if that's how it was for builders. Oh wait, I'm done. Shh. All the way down the zip line. Right. Come on, I mean, pebble. Ah! Ah! Time to go. I'm alive. I really am. Any secret buttons? Uh, um, what is this? Right, guys, I actually give up begging for you to subscribe. If you want me to stop begging for subs, sub and get me to 50 subscribers, then I'll start doing live streams. And I mean, I'll just do live streams. That's my life. That's gonna be my job. So yeah, sub, get to 50. I'll stop begging. Woo! Oh my god. I made it! Right, what? Maybe Mr. Cow. Do it. You need to name him. He needs a name. Oh my god. My animal already died. But yay, I made it. My he didn't. He just he failed. Anyway, time for the gnome to move over. 'Cause it's my turn.